Hello everybody, my name is Nina Brock and I will be discussing on our videos and articles of participatory culture. So starting with the summary, participatory culture is a term coined by Henry Jenkins where everyone participates and engages in their own capacity. It is an environment where people can communicate by commenting, reacting with likes or dislikes, or even sharing works to others. Participatory culture allows students to engage in a comfortable learning environment. So some examples of that would be using social media. Some platforms that people could use is Instagram, which is a place where you can share pictures, personal pictures, cooking videos, any type of picture you want. And another one would be Facebook, where people can share news articles or just any information that they want to put out there in the world. And with these, other people can engage and share what they shared and also like and comment on it. Another type of platform would be Wattpad. Wattpad is a place where people can share stories or just anything that they want to write about. YouTube would be a place where people can share videos. TikTok is similar to YouTube, but it's just shorter amount of video time. And Reddit is a place where people can share any knowledge they want and others can comment on it or share it. Engagement. So there are many ways that students can engage. There are lots of benefits as well as challenges when it comes to participatory culture. So some of the benefits would be it gives students a comfortable environment of learning. Engagement with other people also grows their social learning skills. They also learn other valuable life skills with that. And another way would be it motivates students to actually learn and engage continually in what they're doing and what they're participating in. Some of the challenges would be the participation gap. Not everyone has equal access to the opportunity to experience life skills and knowledge that will prepare youth for full participation in the world of tomorrow. The transparency problem. The challenges young people face in learning to recognize that the ways media shape perceptions of the world. So they don't understand that not everything that the internet is actually factual or truth. So this may is a challenge to help students realize that you shouldn't always believe everything on the internet. Some other challenges would be the ethics challenge, with the breakdown of traditional forms of professional training and socialization that might prepare young people for their increasingly public roles as media makers and community participants. So a challenge would be that they can't, there's certain things that you shouldn't actually share on the internet, and that could be a challenge in showing or teaching students. Some types of forms would be affiliations, so memberships engaging in different platforms such as Facebook or subscribing to a YouTube creator. Those would be a different type of form. Another would be expressions, producing new creative forms such as digital sampling, skinning, or just showing the world different types of skills that may be new to that person. Collaborative problem solving would be working together in teams, so people are able to work together, such as gaming and games that they allow to have teamwork and reach a goal. That would be a type of collaborative problem solving. Another one would be circulation, shaping the flow of media such as podcasting or blogging. So my reaction to it all was that I unknowingly actually engaged a lot in participatory culture. So I would read a lot of stories on Wattpad. I would watch a lot of videos, and unknowingly that showed me a lot of useful skills. Like I learned how to type on a keyboard properly, and I also learned really good reading skills just from being in that participatory culture. So I feel like it's a very positive environment, and it's a very useful way for students to engage and use technology to motivate and help them learn in different types of ways.